Hi guys, this is By the Thorn, and today I'll be showing you how to get this makeup look. But before we get started, I would like to tell you a little bit about my Etsy shop and where you can find this fabulous makeup bag that you will see in the video for today. They are handmade, lined, and have great designs, and they're one of a kind. I use upcycled fabric to make them, and I hope you enjoy them. I surely enjoy making them. And yeah, I'll link the info down below, and I hope you check it out. And I'll be dropping new items soon. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook. So let's get started. So I'm starting off with primer, and the one I'm using is from Honest Beauty. You'll start to notice that most of my makeup is from Honest Beauty. Next, I'll be using the foundation in Caramel, and I like to dab it with, what is it called? Makeup sponge. And as you can see, I'll just dab it all over my face, everywhere, to give me that clean, smooth finish. I look way more woken up now. Thank you, Honest. So next, I'm going to do my eyebrows. And I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. And I just started using this product. I really do like it. And so for a natural look, I just outline the top of my eyebrow and the bottom, kind of just shaping my eyebrow. And then with the end of the pencil, there's a brush, and I just brush out the product throughout the eyebrow. It just gives me that natural look. And afterwards, I'll just use my sponge to wipe off any accents, any mistakes. Next, I'll be using their translucent powder. I really like this one. It's called the Illuminator, and it just brightens up your face. I love it. So next, you'll see me use my concealer sponge, and I'm just placing the translucent powder all over anywhere I notice that's shiny. So next, I'll just grab my makeup bag that you can find in my Etsy store. I'll link it down below. But I'm going to use my Selena MAC bronzer, and I'll lightly just contour around my face. You can't really tell in the video, but it's there. So now for eyeshadow, I'm going to use my Trio palette. As you can see, I've used it a lot. So I'm going to use the darkest color on the palette, and I'm going to outline my lash line. So while I'm lightly putting it on my lash line, I'm just going to blend it out good. That's what I hear, blending is good. And I'll do it on both eyes, of course. Duh. And afterwards, I'll put it on my bottom lash, and I'll only do it halfway because I hear that since my eyes are small, it will make my eyes look bigger. And for me, bigger means I look like I'm more woken up. So then I'll just blend it out nicely. So now it's highlight time. I'm gonna highlight the inner corners of my eyes and on my eyelid and anywhere that you put highlight on. And that's it. Now for my lips, I'm thinking of a color, and I'm going to go with a lip cream by Victoria's Secret. I don't know the color, but I'll put it down in the description box down below and let you guys know. And then with my little lip brush by Mikasa, I'm just going to outline my lip and smooth it all out. Now I'm going to use this True Matte lipstick in Broadway color. I think that's what it's called. And I'm just going to blend it all, just to give me a more natural lip color. Since I am brown, my lips are a bit darker, so that looks more natural on me. And I'm just going to fix it with my concealer sponge. Next thing I do is I grab a piece of paper or a napkin and I blot away. I kind of didn't like how it looked, and then I realized I did it backwards. I was supposed to put the darker color first and then the light one to get the look that I was looking for. So I just put more of the Victoria's Secret lip stain. And there we go, I finished. And that's how I do my everyday natural makeup look.
That's good.
So wait, just kidding. So I forgot to put on mascara. That's why I was looking at myself like, you look so weird. So I'm going to use my Maybelline waterproof mascara in Total Temptation, and I absolutely love this mascara. And that will finish my look for today. Oh, and one more thing. I made a little cute fun trail, so make sure to catch that at the end. Thank you.